Okay, to assemble the TV tray cart, first you're going to take the large frame piece and you're going to add these plastic holders. They need to go face in. You're going to line them up with a hole that's on the frame, so put each one in and slide it down until you line up with the screw hole that's already on there. Do the same thing with the other side. Again, you're going to have the little hooks are going to be facing on or running on the inside of the frame. Okay, so you line it up, take your little screws that we provided you with, and just screw those in. Same thing on the other side. It's a little tricky because the screw is set a little bit in, but if you come in at an angle, you can get it. Okay, make sure those are tight in there. And now we're ready to do the wheeled base. So all we're doing here is just installing 4 screws, the 4 long screws that come with everything, and we're going to put the little metal frame pieces, line up the screw holes. Same thing on all 4 screws. Just repeat that for the other side. Once those screws are tight, just flip it over. Now you're going to install the main frame piece, and all you really do is just line it up with the wheeled base. And just apply pressure and push it down until it stops, and you're done.